In today's lecture we learn about physics and its branches. Before starting this lecture, it is requested to you that kindly like and subscribe this video. What is physics? It is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, energy, and the relationship between them. The study of physics involves investigating such things as the laws of motion, structure of space and time, the nature and type of forces, that interaction between different particles, the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter, and so on. Few branches of physics. Mechanics. This branch of physics deals with motion. Mechanics is further subdivided into two branches, kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics. It deals with the study about motion without reference of force. Next branch of mechanics is dynamics. It deals with the study about motion with reference of force. After mechanics, the next branch of physics is atomic physics. This branch deals with the behavior, structure, and nature of atom. Next branch of physics is electricity. It deals with the phenomena and effect related to electric charges. Next branch of physics is electromagnetism. It deals with observations, principles, laws, and methods related to electricity and magnetism. After electromagnetism, now we study solid-state physics. It deals with the structure and properties of solid substance. Nuclear physics. It deals with the structure, properties, and reactions of the nuclei of atoms. Plasma physics. It deals with the properties of highly ionized atoms. Next branch of physics is biophysics. It deals with the application of the laws of physics to biological phenomena. Astrophysics. It deals with the study of the astronomical bodies. Next branch of physics is molecular physics. It deals with the structure and composition of molecules. Particle physics. It deals with study of small particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, etc. We will upload videos on important topics regularly. Like and subscribe our channel Physics Center for more videos. Thank you for watching.